Welcome to the channel, your source for jaw-dropping footage of car crashes and heavy machinery disasters from around the globe. Watch closely, because every impact carries a lesson. Let's get into it. A car and a truck had a little disagreement in traffic. And just when things were about to go from bad to worse, a tree stepped in and said, "That's far enough, fellas." A container truck was hauling 3 massive steel coils, but only 2 were chained down. When the driver braked hard, the 3rd coil broke loose, hurtling forward like a wrecking ball. It slammed into the cab, crushing it from behind. A harsh lesson in what happens when safety is ignored. It was raining. The roads were slick, but the bus driver kept pushing the speed. He lost control and paid the price for a reckless choice. This accident happened back in 2019. Thankfully, the truck driver was rescued just in time. But take a closer look. This was nothing short of a real-life David versus Goliath moment. A massive collision, overwhelming odds, and yet a narrow escape. It's a reminder that sometimes survival comes down to seconds and a bit of luck.
I had somebody on Instagram. So I went to go look at their profile, and this is their bio. Their bio. Whoa! Whoa!
Everything was stable until the wheel remembered it had an appointment elsewhere. Without warning, he slammed on the brakes at a green light. Was he confused? Distracted? That split-second mistake could have ended in tragedy. On the road, hesitation can be just as deadly as recklessness. Florida Highway Patrol has just released footage of a shocking crash on I-95. In a desperate attempt to evade the authorities, the driver caused a catastrophic accident that endangered countless lives. This reckless decision to flee not only risked his own safety, but also put innocent people in harm's way. Let this serve as a stark reminder. No matter how desperate the situation may seem, evading the law will only lead to disaster. In the blink of an eye, one reckless choice can turn into a tragedy for everyone involved. Winds hit 87 miles per hour in Amarillo, Texas. Massive oil rigs were flipped like toys. Semi-trucks blown clean off the road. A catastrophic sandstorm swept through. Visibility dropped to zero.
There goes
The
another
result?
one.
A multi-vehicle pileup on the highway. Nature doesn't ask for permission. It takes over.
There goes another one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next update.
Oh, shit!